So people who are in relationship, married, if things are not going well between you two, how to fix your relationship with your husband or your wife, then watch this video till the end. Hello my beautiful souls, I am Bithika. Welcome to my channel Divine Healing. If things are not going well in your relationship, if there's a lot of tug of war, there's a lot of silence, it could be a relationship, boyfriend, girlfriend, or husband, wife, and you want to know how to fix your relationship. Let's talk about a few points that you can apply in your relationship to fix it. Let's start with number 1. Open conversation. Have an open conversation with your partner. That's the first step. You have to be patient enough because you are the one who has taken the decision to fix it. If you have taken the decision to fix it, patience, and without judging the situation, you have to have open conversation with them. You are not fighting with your enemy. You are fighting with the person you love. You're fighting with the person you are madly in love with. You have been together for so many years. So, an open conversation can solve a lot of issues. Because sometimes people just assume in relationship. Most of the time people assume when the other person is not speaking up. It's the assumption game that goes on. Ask your partner what is bothering them. Don't ask about the problem that you're facing with each other. Ask what is bothering them. Because sometimes we fight with our closest one because there is something going back in our mind or in our life which we are unable to handle. Now we pour out everything to our partner. That's really funny. So, and we think, oh, he or she is pouring everything out to us. What's the reason? I have not done anything, but still she or he is doing this. It is because we don't ask them what's going on. What happened? What's bothering you? Simple question. What's bothering you? Number 2, ask them if anything from the past is bothering them or not. Yes, sometimes past issues, past relationship, maybe your past relationship that is surfacing these days are bothering her or him. Ask about what is making them uncomfortable. Is anything from the past that is bothering them? That is the main focus of open conversation. You have to be patient enough. You have to be open-minded enough because you have taken the decision to fix the relationship. Because when you will know what is going on in their mind, it will be easier for you. Sometimes relationship is such a dynamic where maybe things between you two are not that intense, but the thing that is going on the back of his or her mind is more intense, and that is affecting the relationship. It's better to talk, ask about if anything from the past is bothering them or not. Number 3, if they open up to you, don't judge their situation. Don't label them as good or bad, your fault, my fault. See them with the goggle of love. Why you know? Because you are the one who have chosen to fix it. Because you are the one who is looking for a solution. So when you're looking for a solution, if you are in a fight mode, you will never find the solution. The moment you stop looking for problems, you will find answers, you will find opportunities, you will find solutions. So whatever she has or he has expressed, do not label it to be good, bad. Just see it with the eye of love. Just see it like, if I was in her situation, if I was in his situation, what would have been my state of mind? Just this mindset shift. Sometimes in order to change your partner or fixing the relationship, if one person works, the other automatically, you guys are connected so deeply. In relationship, people are connected so deeply, energetically. There is so many intimacy. So just imagine it works really fast, but people don't want to work because people don't want to. People feel like it's so hard, but it is not. It is not. And sometimes healing the one person can heal the whole thing, But people will not believe because your mind will not let you believe. A lot of people comment on my YouTube videos that, oh, I don't see proof. There's no scientific reason for it. Why will I believe it? It is not you who is not believing it. It is your mind who is constantly looking for proof for something which you want to solve. Even if you're given the solution, you might be like, oh, there's no analytical thing, there is no logical thing, why will I look for it? And then you stay in your problem for the rest of your life. The whole world is giving you solution. Even this video is a solution. But your mind will not let you. So, wear the goggle of love. Don't label the situation good or bad. See how it would have been your mindset if you would have been in that situation, whatever he or she is going through. And lastly, remember, fixing a relationship sometimes needs time. As I've mentioned before, relationship is a very sweet and very, complex dynamic. Two minds, two analytical minds, two spiritual minds, intermingling, so many outside influences. If you want to fix something, you have to be the patient one. If you want to fix your relationship, you have to heal yourself first. Our partners are our mirrors. In fact, the whole reality is our mirror. But our partner is our mirror. The way we will be, our partner will reflect the same. Whatever we will think about them, they will reflect it back in the reality. So when you will see his or her situation with the eye of love, maybe you are doing something for which he or she is pissed off. See to the eye of love. See what change you can bring in yourself without fighting with them, without telling them that they are doing this or that wrong. Life is giving you opportunity to change. If there is something to change, what's wrong about it? Maybe for your better. You don't call them often. You don't text them often. That's the point of your relationship. You are not emotionally available. Life is telling you, dude, get emotionally available. Be emotionally available. Be emotionally available to yourself first. You will automatically, maybe you have a pattern of your childhood where you have not given, you didn't received any emotional support from your parents. So you have this emotional absence, and this is affecting your relationship. Now you have taken your wife or your husband for granted. You don't give them emotional support. Life is giving you a chance. Maybe your partner's behavior is your chance. Take the responsibility and fix your relationship. Watch this video again and again, because if you watch it once, your mind will question you a lot of things. Like, oh, she's talking all rubbish. Watch it. There are perspectives available in this whole universe for any problem. I don't say things to be solution. I say perspective. Because when you say solution, sometimes mind don't accept it. When you say perspective, it's how you see reality from different angle. So sometimes from the angle which we are seeing the problem in our relationship, if we just flip the perspective to some other location, other angle, we might come up with an amazing solution to our relationship problem. And that's how you can fix your relationship with your partner. Thank you so much for watching. If you're watching me for the first time, do subscribe this channel, like this video, share this with someone you feel like they need to watch it. And I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.